welcome back to 4K's Daily Venture. And today we're going to make a tiny mini erupting volcano. It's pretty easy. You need a plastic bottle, dish soap, vinegar, baking soda, and some food color. You can do any color, but we're gonna make it more realistic, like an actual volcano. So we're gonna use red and yellow. We didn't have orange, but red and yellow makes orange, so it's even. Let's get started. So we have a bottle, we'll put this on. Then we'll get our vinegar, pour it in. Gonna go put some dish soap so it makes it more. You put 4 drops of each, okay? That's good. And then put the yellow in. Okay, we're gonna pour it in and quickly put the cap on. Okay, put more. Hey, it's still erupting.
Help! We better run! The volcano's coming!
That is a lot of bubbles. It actually got a good color. Oh, it's so dark now. Guess all the darkness of the color was at the really bottom. So put more. It's not doing it. So. Wow, it's just like oozing out still.
Still not gonna stop. We're gonna turn our volcano into a blue volcano. Blue! It's a blue volcano.
It's gonna turn
put it inside.
And more brown. Okay, that's enough.
Oh my gosh, it's blue. And if you squeeze it, it comes out.
It's so pretty.
It's like the Jurassic World.
Jurassic World isn't.
Oozing out green. So beautiful. The volcano's almost done. If we flip it over, I'm pretty sure it's just going to ooze out color. Volcano's over.
That was so cool. I know, because we put in the vinegar and then the dish soap and then we put the food coloring, we pour in the baking soda, and then it just started blasting out. And then it finally ended the eruption. So that was really fun. Thanks for coming on 4K's Daily Venture.
If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.
See you next time.